Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've said that. I think it's just shy of a year since I was active on here, which I'm not going to apologize for, because if you've been here for a while, you know that YouTube is just like not the priority. It's something that I do between my full-time job and my shop and my social life and all this stuff, and I only do it when I want to, when it makes me happy, and when I enjoy doing it. So there will be no apology for that today. But yeah, I'm very excited to be back-ish. I just thought I would film a vlog today because I am getting ready to launch my Valentine's Day collection, or like the pre-work for it, because I don't have the pieces yet. The main issue is that I'm not sure when I'm actually going to be able to launch it, like how close to Valentine's Day is actually going to be, because I've just been so freaking busy with everything else. But I want to put it up even if it's literally like on Valentine's Day, just because I love this collection. So this is last year's collection, which is coming back, and then I also am planning on some new pieces. So in this video, I'm literally just going to be doing like odd jobs, and I need to package some orders and just like tidy things up, get myself in a bit of a better place. But I just thought I would pop on here. You guys seem to really like studio vlogs, so that's what I'm going to do. Make it short and sweet, and just have some fun with it. So first thing I need to do is make some TikToks ready for, ready for this collection to come back out, because I promised myself this year that I would get my face more on my TikTok, which isn't like a problem, that doesn't bother me, it's just like getting the time to do it. But now my face is on, we're filming today, and I promised myself I'd just be a bit more active on Kawaii Studios as a brand, because my face has sort of disappeared from it because of the lack of time. So you're getting me again. This is the first thing I'm going to be doing, is filming TikToks, because like, right, see you in a bit.
I really want some miso soup.
Oh, absolutely not. Takes me so many tries.
I really want some miso soup. Oh my god, miso soup!
It's kind of cute.
I really want some miso soup. Oh my god, miso soup!
So that would have like, I would put like, I really want some cute Valentine's Day jewelry, earrings, and then it would be like, oh yeah, cute Valentine's Day jewelry. So that's one of the ones I had in my list. So I'm gonna keep going because they take me ages. Hi guys, so I'm back from filming, and of course this is Hollywood baby, so we've had a wardrobe change. Now wearing the red heart studs, and then the necklace that matches the earrings. Obviously I don't have any of the new stuff to put into TikToks and stuff, but that's something I can do at a later date. But it's really good having, like I said, I filmed 4, which is really, really helpful. I'm not really going to post those until obviously like I know closer to the time when it's going to launch and stuff, because I just don't know. And also I don't know in terms of like when this video goes up what the dates are going to be, so I'm going to put an update on the screen right now, just because I have absolutely no idea obviously when they're going to come out and blah blah blah. I just need to wait for an estimate from the people laser cutting my pieces, and then we'll see. But anyway, yeah, so cute. We're back in the studio now though, and it needs a massive tidy, and then we are going to pack orders. It is getting late and getting dark, which is really upsetting, but hopefully I'm just gonna film through it. But this is currently what my desk looks like. It's an absolute state, although actually seeing that has reminded me, question guys, I was wonderfully sent a bunch of things from the Hello Kitty Pusheen collaboration, which is amazing, and I'm so thankful. This isn't like sponsored, these were gifted to me, but and they haven't asked me to do this, but anyway, let's not go into that. But I actually received this little crochet kit, which is from Stitch and Story, which is super cute, and you make these little like cute key rings. And I've never done crochet, and I got this and I was like, is that something you guys would like to see me do in a video? Because I can imagine it's not going to go very well, and it could be fairly entertaining. So like, let me know whether you want me to do this, because like it looks like fun, and I've never ever crocheted. So like, let me know in the comments if you want to see that video. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. It's a tip, as you can see. So we're going to quickly tidy it, then we're quickly going to pack things before the light disappears, because they need to go out today. So come along with me. Also, can we just talk about how cute these are? These are like fabric gift wrap that I got in a sale at Typo. Thought they'd make like really, really cute backgrounds. But yeah, they're probably not going to be still up when this video goes live. But yeah, they were like £3 each. So I thought, cute idea for backgrounds, you know? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little like package ASMR. Hopefully it worked out and it was ASMR and I haven't had to put music over it. But anyway, it's starting to get dark and I'm starting to look like a ghost here. But I did just realise looking over those orders that actually the first one, the black star necklace, which is actually doing really well, by the way. I sort of made the star versions of my heart necklaces on a whim and they've actually been selling like really well, which is really great, obviously. Really happy about that. But I just noticed that order is actually marked as a gift, which means I sort of packaged it wrong and I just am quickly repackaging it. I wanted to share what I do when someone on Etsy marks something as a gift as a shop owner. This is what I do, so I just wanted to show that. A lot of the packaging is the same, but I actually put them, this is sort of how I used to package all of my orders. I would put them in these bags, but now I just save it for ones that are marked as gifts so that someone can obviously re-gift them, and then I give them a loose one of my logo stickers so that they can obviously check what they've ordered is correct before they like gift it to someone or send it on to someone or anything like that. So basically I put it in there. I also don't include any of this stuff just in case that they don't want it in there, but they can obviously add it in there because obviously it's not sealed. So basically that's what I do. I just make sure that they can have a look at it and then they can seal it up themselves and send it on or gift it to someone, and then I make sure that these are on the outside so that, I don't know, you know, it's for the person that bought or it's for the person that it's going to, it's up to them. So yeah, that's actually what I do when it's marked as a gift, so I quickly fix that. Also, I haven't done it yet, but I'm also going to finish the packages off with my eco-friendly paper tape by No Issue. I might have a code or a link or something for No Issue. If I do, I will leave it in the description, so if you want to help me out, that would be great. I also have a video basically on how I package my orders, like start to finish, everything you could ever know. It was also sponsored by No Issue, so I think there was, again, a link or a discount or something like that. But if you're interested in terms of like everything that I use, go to that video. Everything I use is linked, absolutely everything. But yeah, I'm going to finish them off with some tape. And then I think I'm just going to quickly show you, or at least just like explain the new pieces for the Valentine's Day collection. And then I'm sort of going to call it a day because I want this to be like short and sweet and not too stressful to edit, you know, and that's exactly what we want, so that it actually does go up and it does go out to you guys. So let me just finish packaging these up and then I will be right back.
2 weeks later.
Yeah, future editing Ruth here. Hi guys, it's literally 2 weeks later. It's the 19th of January. Didn't want this video to go up this late, but here we are. Life just got manic. I've had a cough for 3 weeks and back then I didn't know what it was. So I had to, that same day, quickly book a PCR test, done COVID tests. That's why I got distracted and never showed you a sneak peek of the Valentine's collection. but I'm back now and I just want this video to go up and to finish it. So as the message at the beginning of this video let you know, the collection is going live this Saturday, the 22nd at 6 p.m. GMT, and I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of some of the new things that are coming, and then you can find information on my Instagram and my TikTok, which you can find in the description. So finally going to stop waffling and get this video up.